Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Lululemon steady state pullover hoodie. Let's get into it. Just came in the mail. I unboxed another one of these hoodies earlier on this channel and really liked it. Really comfortable, good fit, nice fitting hoodie. Let's see, this is the steady state pullover hoodie. Here's the tag. The color is bone. And medium, designed in Vancouver. Check it out. So I really like that it has this nice kangaroo pouch. What I didn't know last time I unboxed one of these is that it has this little hole here for coins or your finger. It's nice. It's a nice relaxed fit. Not ultra relaxed, but I do like the fit for sure. So that's why I got more of these. I'll be unboxing like a green color one coming up soon as well. Just really like the colors and the fit, and really soft. Washed my first one a couple times already and it's been really good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this hoodie in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I will catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.